Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a collage of photos in Instagram stories. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your profile, click on your profile picture and then click on camera. In this section you just simply click on layout, and here you just click on upload from gallery. So you just click on the images option in the bottom left corner of your screen and add image, and then again click on the photo option in the bottom left corner of your screen and add second image, and then again click on that and add third image, and then again click on that and add fourth image. That's it. So now you will be able to create a collage of photos in Instagram stories. So I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.